Hi, this is Jon Toor from Cloudian, and today we're going to talk about ransomware and how you can build new revenue opportunities by protecting your customers from ransomware and giving them peace of mind with Immutable storage as a service. The threat of ransomware is something that we're all very familiar with. Every day we hear about new ransomware attacks. In fact, 4 organizations will fall victim to ransomware worldwide every minute. So the threat is there, it's growing, it's something that all of your customers are aware of and very concerned about. But the fact of the matter is that most traditional defenses against ransomware are ultimately ineffective. Perimeter defenses can be penetrated, whether you're talking about training of employees or firewall protection or protection at the server level. Ultimately, any of those can be compromised. You may think that having a backup copy of the data is in fact a defense, but it really is not, because the backup copy is in fact the first thing that a ransomware attacker will go after, because once your backup copies are encrypted, your last line of defense has been compromised. Fortunately, Veeam and Cloudian offer a solution called Object Lock. Object Lock stops ransomware by protecting your data at the storage level, where the backup copies reside. What Object Lock does is it locks that data and prevents it from being changed or deleted. Once that data has been protected from changes or deletion, it cannot be encrypted. And if it can't be encrypted, then ransomware is ineffective. The beauty is this all happens at the storage itself. It's software enabled, so there's no physical intervention required. And the lock expires after a preset length of time, so it can be fit into a standard backup workflow. When Object Lock is in place, it becomes part of your standard backup process. Your data is always protected from ransomware. The storage platform here is Cloudian, S3 compatible enterprise storage. Cloudian has Object Lock built in, making that storage immutable, meaning that once that lock is enabled, that data cannot be changed or deleted for a preset period of time. This is Veeam certified. It's been tested and certified with Veeam to be object ready with immutability. Cloudian has been in the object storage business since 2011 and was awarded the Gartner Peer Insight Customer Choice for 2020, indicating the highest level of recognition from the Gartner community. Object Lock is built into Veeam as well. It was included in Veeam v10, which was introduced earlier this year, which includes S3 Object Lock as a standard feature. This connects to Veeam via the cloud tier at the scale-out and backup repository level. And this is based on the de facto standard for worm storage in cloud, the S3 Object Lock feature. This is an easy to integrate, proven solution that's already been deployed at multiple customer sites worldwide. Cloudian's Object Lock is a hardened solution with immutability that's been verified in government certification testing. It's been certified to meet the requirements of the Securities and Exchange Commission for non-rewritable media, meaning that can be used for financial records, healthcare records, anything where compliance is a concern and the non-alterability of the media is essential. And Cloudian is easy to buy. You can buy Cloudian software through VMware and deploy it as part of your VMware cluster. It can be purchased using cloud provider program points under a subscription model, so you only pay for what you use. Furthermore, you have the option of integrating it with Cloud Director for management. So all management of the Cloudian infrastructure can be done via the Cloud Director interface. With Veeam, VMware, and Cloudian, you can offer a complete solution for backup as a service. Backing up servers, Office 365 data, all enterprise records can be stored in the Cloudian environment with Object Lock enabled to provide protection from ransomware. you get a proven business model that is profitable right out of the box. Your costs are aligned with revenue because the software-defined storage is licensed by use, so you're only paying for what you use. Hundreds of service providers worldwide have built profitable storage-as-a-service businesses on Cloudian. From backup as a service, to storage as a service, DR as a service, archive, to bespoke businesses targeting specific verticals. Anything that requires high-capacity storage, Cloudian provides the feature set, the cost structure, and the ease of doing business that makes it a perfect fit for service providers. And now, Veeam, Cloudian, and VMware make it easy to provide your customers the greatest value of all, which is peace of mind. With Veeam and Cloudian, you can get ransomware protection in a proven deployment model and compelling economics that guarantee a profitable business model for you. To learn more, go over to cloudian.com/Veeam. Sign up for a free trial and get started today, and just see how easy it is to get started making money in backup as a service with ransomware protection.